Okay, today we're putting a radio upgrade in a Toyota Tacoma. First step's going to be remove these AC knobs to gain access to the bolts to remove the radio. Like to use a simple hook tool. Stick it right inside of this after you remove the knob, and you should just be able to pull forward. And you can see the bolt holes, 4 10mm bolts right there. We'll remove those. Alright, and next thing to do is remove the radio. It's simply held in with the pressure fit clips, and I'll show those as soon as we get the radio out, but it comes straight forward out. So these are the pressure foot clips that I was talking about. And here's the back side of the stereo, so you can see the plugs we got to remove. Also a plug at the bottom for the clock. And that's where our new radio is going to go. And here is our new screen. This is the Android 13 9-inch screen, direct fit for this 2007 Tacoma. But I want to show you here on the right, that's going to be where we transfer our clock and the hazard switch, and it will go right at the bottom. Keep a factory look to this thing. So I'm going to switch those things over and show you the finished result. And there you have it. We got the hazard switch and clock transferred over to the new screen. Now we're on to wiring. Okay guys, I wanted to show you why I use this radio and continue to use this radio, because not only does it have all the features for Apple CarPlay and Android, but it's literally a plug and play kit. When I say it comes with everything, I mean it even comes with your pry tool to pull out the old radio, but wire harness, steering wheel control harness, backup camera. When I say everything, I mean everything. Nothing left to do but wire this thing up and give you a quick demo.